What up, everyone? Crypto Marxist, aka Bone Army, coming at you. There's a crypto crash happening right now. Blood on the charts, blood on the streets. Bitcoin below $25,000. Ethereum below $1,700. All right, well, if you guys like keeping up with the charts and all the mayhem that is the crypto world, go ahead and hit that sub, hit that like, and let's get into it. So, what I wanted to do was quickly just check Bitcoin, check Ethereum, check Bone, check Shiba Inu, check Paul, check Fund, check NFAI. I wanted to check the most solid plays that I believe in. And I wanted to also check the gamble plays I'm in. Okay. I always tell you guys there's different parts of my portfolio. Okay. There's the solid plays that I try to continually increase. Okay. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Shiba Inu, Bone, Leash, which I've been neglecting. I need to get more Shiboshi NFTs. I'm out of the Wellies ecosystem. I need to get a Wellies NFT as well. So that being said, those are what I consider the solid plays that will get us to have $1 million portfolio within the 2024 2025 market bull run. Of course, when we check the risky plays, investing in risky plays when the market is down is not the smartest thing to do. But there are spikes, there are moonshots, and basically we'll be checking those right now. I'm completely wrecked in them, so we'll check those out. But here, let's check out. Oh, and in fact, if you want to know um, how I feel about the current crash. All right, cool. I think you get the point. Yeah, chill, chill, chill. All right, cool. All right, so let's go ahead and hit this share because I want you guys to see the Bitcoin chart at under 25,000. That thing is crazy. Here, let's get down here. All right, so look at this. So it looks like it's trending downward still. Bitcoin trending downward. And in fact, it looks like that dip basically just landed on this previous downward trend. Okay, so I can see this coming up. And actually, if it doesn't stay above this as support, I can see it in a couple of days basically going another leg down to approximately 24,000, maintaining the trajectory of this. Look, is this one right here? That's actually where it's at. So I can see this actually going up and then coming back down. Um, Ethereum, Ethereum right now. Let's check it out. Ethereum right now looking like it's at 1,652. And look at this. Absolutely looks wrecked. And actually looks like another red candle is forming. So I can see this still going down. It could definitely break 1,600. So if you guys are looking to increase your position, this is a good opportunity to, not financial advice, but to DCA a small amount to see if it does go down. You can DCA another small amount. Don't go all in. Okay, never smart to go all in. But checking Shiba Inu, it looks like there is gonna be another leg down because here we are dipping, and in fact, Shiba Inu is currently at 650. 650, 50650 at a 650 billion market cap. I'm sorry, at a 6.50 billion market cap. So this looks like almost a rug type situation, like how, like, but it's just a huge red candle downward. I mean, obviously a rug would go all the way down, but I'm just bringing this to you because these are the opportunities that we look for, and then we don't move on them. Eventually we see that it's spiking up and we jump in so we don't miss out, and then it dips on us. So this is one of those opportunities where I'm looking to see if, for example, pause zone dips below, if it can dip below the 3.5 million market cap, I might have to increase my position again. Luckily, I've been accumulating my paw in this region. So this is an accumulation zone, as I like to state. And this is what I call an extreme accumulation zone. So anywhere within this realm is a great buy. Total liquidity sitting at $1.06 million, 307 pulled ETH, pulled Paul, 71 billion, 3.7 million market cap. Of course, the total supply is at 500 billion, and we're sitting at 2,800 holders on that project. And then moving on, because I want you guys to look at all the great prices we have available to us right now. Fund, which is integral to the Shibarium blockchain, which will use Bone as its gas token. So that's why we Bone Army in the house, but we can't understate the importance of Fund and the unification project. Okay. And as well, you see it's been dipping though. This one has, if you actually check, well, everything's been dipping, but it was at one point it was like at 50 cents. But you can see it was affected by the latest dip right here, and it's still I could see this going down to maybe 12 cents. Actually, I could see this dipping to below 12 cents. This is another great one. Total liquidity 520,000, 14,000 total volume, 2.73. Fund sitting at 2.74. I'm sorry, I said 3. $2.74 million market cap. I mean, that's insane. That's insane if you think about it, how low this market cap is. Let's check NFAI, not financial advice. The secret hedge fund. Ooh, also took a dip. Okay, it's currently dipping. Look at that. Under 10 cents. Under 10 cents currently. Amazing project. And look at this, under 10 cents, sitting at $5.91 million market cap. Okay, we're talking about a project which is going to easily be at least $100 million. Okay, at least at $100 million. So those right there are the most solid plays I can show you. Of course, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Shiba Inu at 650. Okay, PAW at 5074 at 3.7 million market cap. Fund at 2.74 million market cap. NFAI at 7.71 million market cap. So those right there are absolute bangers. You cannot go wrong with DCAing in any of these. This is not financial advice, but it is definitely what I will be doing. I'm just waiting to get my next paycheck because, as you guys know, I like to put my money where my mouth is. So it's very important for you guys to accumulate Bone, accumulate Fund, accumulate Paw Zone, accumulate Shiba Inu. Okay, accumulate Leash if you plan to build in the metaverse. And if you plan to build on the metaverse, go ahead and get you a land right now because lands are cheap as well. Everything goes down. It's tied to Ethereum, right? In fact, a Shiboshi, get you a Shiboshi, not financial advice. I'm just telling you what I'm going to be looking at. All right. So those are the solid plays, 100%. Now let's check my risky gamble plays. All right. So first of all, I want to share this one. Okay. This one is called Raptor. It should be Rapture, I think, but Raptor is another Jesus one, trending at 1. Not telling you to buy this. I'm just telling you the religious meta has not fully died out. And why do I say that? Because we're still in Mary, baby. You already know. And of course, Mary was also affected by that dip. But look at this. We're looking, we have this potential downward trend it could catch and then bounce back, or it looks like it's been pretty stable. In fact, look, it looks like it's been pretty stable at this right here, at this level. It looks like it's been pretty stable at this level. Hold up. All right, cool. Yeah. So actually, we'll see where it goes from here, if it even goes lower than this, because that looks like it was the floor for a little bit. And I myself increased my position in Mary. So we'll see what happens, actually. So that's one thing. Don't believe the religious matter is over. And this is Mary at 83,000. Contract renounced. Liquidity burned. Most projects are dead by now. You guys saw what happened to Noah. That thing was bopped. And then, of course, I got into Kong. Got into Kong at about 1.8 million. Covered it at about 2. And I think I might have covered it when it touched 3, or it might have been dipping below 3 by that time. But same thing. Look at this going down, down. But it looks like it has some support over here. We'll see if this comes back down to touch this and then goes up. This is an extremely volatile play. Of course, contract renounced, liquidity locked for 23 months, 100%. And it's sitting at a $981,000 total market cap. 1/3 was burned. And the last play I want to bring to you is a play tied to RFD. And in fact, if you check, RFD is actually trending at 6. So let's go ahead and check that out before we even check this one. So it's trending at 6, sitting at a 12.19 million market cap. I'm extremely bullish on this project. The way it's been handled, the way it's 99 out of 99. Of course, where Bitcoin goes, the market goes. So of course, everything is going to have this long red Japanese candle on the chart. All right, I get it. Look at let's go back to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the one that's dictating, but it looks like there might be a little bounce happening in the chart. Look at this. A bounce happening right here as I speak. Here, let's go to the minute chart. See what that's looking like. All right. It looks like there could be potentially a bounce right here. We might have we might have hit the bottom for the time being. Might get a bounce up sideways, or I thought everyone thought there was going to be a bounce because there wasn't an increase in the uh, in inflation, but I have no idea what um, I have no idea what no idea what. So this was RFD. So then I'll show you here. Let me show you this one now. Redeem it, which is by one of the people from that one of the whales from RFD. Sorry about that, guys. I'm over here doing 1,000 things at once and I'm trailing off. So sorry about that. All right. So same thing with Redeem It. Got into Redeem It at about 1 million, about 900. And this thing is absolutely tanking hard. I'm talking about it's at a $264,000 market cap. Absolute bodied wrecked. In fact, in the words of Wojak, that's why I tell you guys that some I felt that. That's why I tell you guys that some of these plays are strictly gambles, high risk. Okay, we don't know what happens with some of these. There was a great thread that happened, and yeah. With that said, those are the plays, the gamble plays, the high risk plays like Redeem It, like Kong, like Mary, and then the solid plays that as well are tanking a little bit right now. But look like they might be actually bouncing back a little bit based on what I'm seeing. We'll see. So I'll update you guys on all of this. Of course, Bitcoin is king, and that's basically what happens. dictates where the market goes because it's such a large player. It's such a large player. But it looks like right now, even though ETH dipped a little bit, looks like it's printing a green candle. Basically, where Bitcoin goes, the rest of the market goes. So that's what I told you guys right here. Look at this. It looks like Bitcoin's still going up a little bit more. So, all right. With that said, crypto Marxist, aka Bone Army. If you got any value from this, and remember, your portfolio should be broken up into solid plays. Okay. I just break it up into two solid plays that I know I want to increase. And I do include Pepe in there, even though it's a risky play. With ETH, with Bone, with Shiba, with Paul, with NFAI, with Fund, with Ethereum and Bitcoin. Not so that's one thing. Okay. So make sure you know what your solid plays are that you do not want to lose or mess with. Okay. And then you have the risky plays that you know you're going to put, like, for example, Kong. I went ahead and put a few $100 in it. Looks like it's down like half. Redemit looks like it's down 80%. It's fine though. You see, because that's why it's important to just put small amounts that you're willing to lose. Okay, that's why they're gamble plays. Unlike getting into some of the earlier plays that I spoke about, which are 100% solid plays that are going to change our lives. And it's very important. In fact, I go back and forth. Let me know in the comment. Should I cover the risky plays that normally dip but have a potential to change your life? Or should I not cover those and just cover the solid plays that have utilities that are being built in that will change your life, in my opinion, over a longer time frame, but a more secure and solid foundational uh, trajectory, if you will. So with that said, crypto Marxist, aka Bone Army, you already know Bone Army in the house. Bone Army in the house. Got my Bone Army, you know, aka Bone Army in the house, bro. All right, cool. With that, I'll hit you guys with another one. I'm gonna try to knock out a Pepe video. I might knock out some of these individual ones too, because I know Itachi is looking at me like I've been slacking on my content. You know what I mean? And this is one of those opportunities where, because there is a crypto crash, you guys can go ahead and DCA. Not all in, but go ahead and get a little bag. At what point will you wait, okay, to get your bag? Bitcoin at below 25,000 is a 4x to 100,000, which is a 40x to 1 million, which is a 400x to 10 million, which is what they're projecting by 2035, 2045, right around the corner. Trust me on that, my people. All right. With that said, I'm out. Peace.